What's going on, guys? Backkk Rob from Backkk Performance, and today we're bringing you guys a vlog style video. I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of things that's going around at the shop here today. Right now we got the shop car in for a couple of stuff, as well as a C40 in for a stage 2 93 tune and some downpipes. We also got my boy Justin over here in the corner building like his 5th engine. Like, this guy just kills them, knocks them out every other day. Of course, you guys haven't seen us in a long time. So we are here to stay. This is our return video. We're gonna be posting a lot more, being a lot more consistent. Please feel free to go in the comments section. Let us know what you wanna see. Engine builds, turbo builds, stage 2, whether it's just a DIY, you know, we're here to help and we're here to stay. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and slap these badges on the C43. That was another thing that this customer wanted done, and go from there. And soon we're gonna actually tune it with our stage 2 tune with aggressive burble and go on the back street and get you guys some sound clips. As you guys can see here, my boy here, he's a chromer. I mean, he's a great. He's a blacker. All right, guys, so now we're getting ready to load up the stage 2 file to go with the downpipes that we just installed. I just also finished up the blacked out badges in the back. He just converted from chrome. Let me know in the comment down below, are you a chrome guy or a gloss black type of guy? Me personally, I like the gloss black because, you know, when you have the right color, gloss black just goes right with everything. So of course here, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and load up the map, and then we're gonna hit the streets, do a log, see how it sounds, and make sure it's ready for the customer. Got a nice little throaty vibe to her, you know? Nah, yeah. We're going the back street now, get a couple hits so you guys can hear how she sounds outside. One thing I do notice a lot of people do when they hop in their cars is whenever somebody like flashes like a verbal map or anything like that, they instantly start to rev on the car. But what people don't know is you actually have to give the car a few moments for it to actually open up and everything, so that you could do all the verbals and those things of the sort. Because of course, as soon as you turn the car on, one thing it definitely doesn't like to be is pops and bangs off rip, you know? So make sure you guys are warming up your car before you just hop in it and start burbling away. God, this Florida rain is crazy. Probably can't even hear the burbles with all this rain. Damn, guys, we might have to call this one a little short one. Rain is messing up the motion. Here, I'm gonna try to give it a little something, see if you guys can hear some burbles. I'm not gonna lie, she's landed off slow, you know? I'm not too sure if you guys can hear that, but the car is responding exactly how we want it. Everything with the tune is, you know, correlating to how the car is driving. Car feels good. Of course, it's raining, so we're not stepping on it too much. But from now on, the car feels good and it feels like it's ready for the customer. What's going on, guys? Robin here from Backkk. Of course, we went ahead and just finished up logging, tuning, and everything for this C43. We got you guys a couple sound clips in the back. This car is pretty much wrapped up and ready for pickup. This customer went ahead and did our stage 2 downpipes as well as our stage 2 tune. He's gonna pick it up here shortly. He should be very happy with the results. There's a couple things I would like to show you guys in the office and as well as in the actual shop. So you guys stay tuned for that. We're gonna go over here now. All right, guys, so like I said, my guy Dre here, he's gonna go ahead and call up our C43 customer to pick up. All right, Dre, so you saying you're gonna call that customer up for pickup?
Right now, his name is Daniel.
Daniel?
He's gonna enjoy his new downpipe tune C43.
All right. If you guys haven't met Dre already, that's Dre, our service advisor. He's our main point of contact. Anytime anybody answers that phone, it's either him or Moose. 90% of the time, you're gonna get Dre. So that's our guy, Dre. We're gonna go ahead and walk into the dyno room / work area. We're gonna introduce you guys to our other technician, Anthony. Right now, Anthony has a 911 turbo doing some lowering springs and a couple other goodies later on in the week. So let's go ahead and check that out. Ant, what's going on, my boy?
What's up, man?
We got the vlog here live, man.
Oh, yeah?
Telling them guys what you got going on. Where you at with it now?
Got the fronts in. Fronts done.
Period.
Gotta just pop the fronts out. Get the fronts changed. We got the new springs going in, sitting right there.
Type deal.
And that's about it.
Appreciate you,
Nice,
man.
easy day.
Simple little 991.
Yep.
Type deal. How you like these? You like Porsches?
Yeah. The engineers, like, they did their job for the most part. You could tell they didn't hate mechanics.
What'd you say? What you rating it on a mechanic level? Like
I saw it like 7.7 out of 10.
7.7?
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
You heard it here first, guys. My boy Ant rating this job a 7.7, man. But besides all the jokes, like I said, guys, I'm looking to close out this video right now. I do want to let you guys know we appreciate all the love, support. We haven't posted in a while, but like I said, we're going to keep on to it. We're going to make sure that we post whenever we can. You know, we got this super cool G80 build going on right here, single turbo. It's getting a 6870 as well as an arcade manifold. Like I said, guys, we have content for days. We're just going to work our best to get them out for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We also got the dyno. Like, we have endless possibility for content. So make sure you guys go down in those comment section and say, post, 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 post. We like you guys. We miss you guys. And we'll stay tuned for more content. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Robin from Backkk signing out.